Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. If you have been wondering how can you completely remove your Bitmoji from Snapchat, then you're in the right place. Today in this video I'll show you exactly how can you do that in a very easy and clean method as well. If that's what you're looking for, follow up with me till the very end and let's jump right into it. But since we're going to be using the Snapchat app for this process, we need to get something out of the way. Open Play Store or App Store and find Snapchat there, only to make sure we have the app updated and everything works properly in it. After that, go ahead and quit the store. Let's open Snapchat now. Make sure you are logged into your account, and then from here we need to head out to your profile. So you need to go ahead and tap on your Bitmoji in the top left corner of the screen right here. And from here, if you go ahead and tap on your Bitmoji, you can go ahead and customize it. If you want, you maybe want to change the style, change the pose, the background, or the selfie, anything like that. But you cannot delete or remove your Bitmoji from here. For that, you can tap on the gear icon in the top right corner because you need to go ahead and open settings. And here we are in settings. You need to look for something that says Bitmoji, and here it is right here. Tap on it. From here you can do the same, basically edit your Bitmoji. If you want to remove it completely, tap on unlink my Bitmoji, this button in the very bottom of the screen. And from here, if you're sure about your decision, tap on remove. Just be aware that your Bitmoji and the shape of it, you know, all the styles and clothes will be lost with it. So if you're sure about your decision, go ahead and tap on remove, and that's basically how can you remove your Bitmoji from Snapchat. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like and leave your questions and comments in the comments section. I'll try to answer every single one of them. And of course, subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for watching and see you in future video, guys.